Good morning. It is the coolest morning we've had yet. It's about 50 degrees this morning, and so it's nice and brisk outside, but Miss Susan's gone. So I'm about to fix an omelet on the Blackstone and invite you to come along and take a look. We've got our sausage, we've got red sweet pepper, green bell pepper, and some purple onion. I typically would use white onion, but purple was in the fridge. We had some bacon in the freezer that was already chopped up. Susan had that for putting on pizzas. Well, some of it's going on my omelet. We've got shredded cheese. We got 3 eggs from the hen house, a little Blackstone all-purpose seasoning, and some Kinder's blend, which is nothing but salt, pepper, and garlic. We've got the Blackstone set up, and we're about to get cooking. I turned the Blackstone down to low. We're going to dump off all the veggies and the sausage. We're going to get these cooking. Then we'll smash the sausage and get it all broken apart. Go ahead and get some surface contact going. Chop up the sausage. This is my first attempt at a omelet on the Blackstone, so we'll see how it comes out. If it doesn't work out too well, it'll turn into a scramble. I got another camp cook that I did, which I scrambled up the sausage and eggs and stuff together. I'll link that in the description below. Hopefully this is going to turn into the omelet that we're looking for. Go ahead and mix this together. It's all going to go in the egg the same way. That's looking good. Added a little bit of oil. I need to go down with some bacon bits. These have already been cooked, so excuse my hands in here, but I'm the only one who's eating it today. I'm just going to throw those out to warm them up. And then we're going to go down with, we got 3 eggs, and we'll see what happens. All right. Susan typically makes the omelets in the house in a round cast iron skillet to keep it circular, and talked to her on the phone, and she said, how are you going to keep this together? And I'm not real sure, but let's find out. We're going to start out by taking it nice and slow, and hopefully that's going to solve our problem. It's not going to be a perfect circle, but we're going to kind of hold things together a little bit. So you get to watch this live, and you'll see how it works. Or maybe not live, but I'm not going to turn it off. We're going to let it go. I'll try not to keep it too long. Well, that's holding up pretty good. That's looking pretty good. Hopefully we're going to be able to flip this, or fold it. All right, now let's load this thing up. We got the sausage and the bell peppers. We got bacon. we've got onions. Oh, that's looking pretty good right there. Let's not forget the cheese. All right, let's see how this does. Ooh, that looks pretty good right there. We'll let that go for just a minute. We'll give it a flip. I think we're about done. Oh yeah. That's looking tasty right there. Let's put this on a plate. Now that's a big old omelet. Don't want to waste any of the good stuff here. That looks pretty good. We just hit it with the post dust of the salt, pepper, and garlic, a little Blackstone all-purpose, and added some of Susan's homemade salsa to the top of it. Salsa came from our garden, the tomatoes, the peppers, the onions, all homemade and canned. So let's give it a try. Well, we've blessed the food. Now let's give it a taste. All that work is for naught if it doesn't taste good. So here we go. Crunchy, excuse me, crunchy bacon, sausage, vegetables are really good. Salsa on top is really the kick. That's great. Tell you what, first time doing an omelet on the Blackstone. Came out pretty well. Tell me what you think. Give me comments on how to do it better. And we'll see you in the next video. God bless.